In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change your GoDaddy account password. As a starting point, you need to successfully log into your account. Navigate your browser to the GoDaddy website and look for the Sign In option, usually found in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password, then hit the Sign In button to access your account. Once inside your account, you'll need to make your way to the security page. Sometimes the layout or design can change a bit, but typically you can find this by looking in the menu for words such as Account Settings, Profile, or Personal Info. As you explore these areas, search for anything that refers to security, and you will then land on the security page. Having arrived at the security page, you would now need to locate the password section. Find this, and you will be ready for the next step of the process, which is editing your password. To do this, simply click on the Edit button adjacent to the password section. Some websites often use icons instead of words, so look for a pencil or some sign or symbol that suggests editing. With the editing mode activated, you can change your password. Begin by entering your current password. This is a security measure that ensures that the person trying to change the password is indeed the account owner. Following this, continue by entering your new password in the designated field. To avoid any typing errors, you will be asked to type your new password one more time in the Confirm Password field. This function helps the system to verify if the two entries match. Now that you have filled in the required fields, your new password is almost set. You only need to finalize the process by clicking Save. This single click will secure the changes, replacing your old password with the new one. Most websites will immediately sign you out for security reasons, and you will need to log in again with your new password. By following these steps, you have not only enhanced the security of your GoDaddy account, but you have also learned the universal process of changing a password in almost any online platform. Make sure to keep your newly set password secure and regularly update it to ensure maximum security for your account.